Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Sony supports Google TV and that it's updated. This avoids later compatibility stalls. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi credentials and your Google account are ready so you can sign in during setup. Plug in the TV, attach HDMI devices if needed, and power it on. You'll see an initial onboarding prompt. Follow the on-screen language and network choices. If a remote pairing notice appears, hold the indicated buttons to pair before moving to the next step. You now connect to your Wi-Fi and sign into Google. This gives you access to apps and personalized recommendations. Once you select your network and enter the password carefully, sign in with your Google account so preferences, apps, and subscriptions can sync. Make sure to accept relevant permissions for location and usage data to improve service suggestions. Next, pair the remote over Bluetooth by following the on-screen pairing routine. Once paired, test navigation and voice input to confirm everything responds correctly. Finish by installing your essential streaming apps and updating them so playback is smooth and secure. You'll personalize display and sound settings, choose picture mode, HDR preferences, and the correct audio output to match your soundbar or AVR. Make sure inputs are labeled and tested. If something goes wrong, try rebooting the TV and router first, then repair the remote. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. If problems persist, check network speed and firmware updates to resolve lingering connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.